Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Tiny spark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Swims in dark, do-do-do-do-do-do. In the park, do-do-do-do-do-do. Mommy shark, she's so kind. She helps baby every time. Swims so fast you'll never find a sweeter shark of any kind. Daddy shark with big white teeth hides behind the coral reef. He plays tricks and acts so tough, but he's soft when things get rough. Grandma shark bakes fishy pie underneath the sea blue sky. Tells cool tales of days gone by with a twinkle in her eye. Grandpa shark goes for a ride on a seahorse by his side. Takes the kids for ocean slides while they giggle and they glide. Let's all swim, do-do-do-do-do-do. Time for fun, do-do-do-do-do-do. In the sun, do-do-do-do-do-do. Everyone, do-do-do-do-do-do. Sharky Day, hooray, hooray. Friends all come around to play. Laugh and splash and dance away in the ocean every day.
Farmer Joe woke up at dawn to find his carrot patch was gone. He scratched his head, looked all around, then heard a crunch, a munching sound. Behind the bush, a bunny sat with orange crumbs beneath his hat. Ah, Benny the bunny, fast and sweet, loves to nibble garden treats. He hops and skips, he zips away, back to his burrow to hide and play. Farmer Joe said, not again. He built a trap with wire and pen. But Benny saw the carrots placed and sniffed around with bunny grace. The trap went snap, but he was sly. It caught his fur as he zoomed by. Ah, Benny the bunny, quick and bright, dodged the trap and laughed in flight. He left a note that said with glee, I'll only take a snack or three. Farmer Joe was quite surprised. He laughed until he teared his eyes. I guess this bunny's not so bad, just hungry, cheeky, maybe glad. So Joe left carrots on a plate, and then he came, he wouldn't be late. He took just 3 and left to bloom a little flower to light the room. The next day came a basket too, with berries, nuts, and pebble blue. Ah, Benny the bunny, sweet and true, made a friend and kindness grew. A bunny patch with leafy beds and happy hearts and carrot heads. Now Farmer Joe and Benny play. They share a picnic every day. With all the forest friends they cheer. Let's grow with love and not with fear. And in the garden calm and wide, a brand new carrot grew with pride. Ah, Benny the bunny, soft and bright, sleeps beneath the stars at night. The tale of Joe and Benny's bond will grow like carrots in the pond.